Hello and welcome to my proving grounds. Okay, we are loaded up in Ubuntu at the moment, and as you can see, I have a couple apps on the screen. There's one that I want to remove from here. It's the System Profiler, as you can see. It also goes by the name of Hard Info, and I want to take it off. I'll show you how to put it back on later. This is how it works. We're going to get out of it. We're going to go into the terminal, and to remove that application, we are going to first put in super user do, which is sudo. And as soon as I learn how to type, there it is. Sudo apt remove. Seems like a very basic setup of a command there. You put in the name of the application, hard info. You make sure that you have all the relevant spaces in the put in. As such, space. And then we're going to do ampersand ampersand sudo again apt auto remove for any other components that were installed with the application. That way you can get them taken out. You hit enter, you put in your password, and it starts working and starts removing things. Do you want to continue? Yes. And everything that needs to come off will be taken off. You will know when you are done because you will see the prompt. Yes. Removing the application doesn't take very long. All the other components takes a little longer, but not that much. And as you can see, we now have our command prompt again. So we are done. If you need to confirm, you can go over here to your show applications, scroll down to where we had the system profiler before. It is no longer there. Now, let's say you made a mistake and you want to get it back. The easiest way to do that is by backtracking. You're going to put in sudo, and instead of apt remove, it's going to be an apt or apt-get, and type in install, and then the name of the application. It will go through the repositories, download, and then install the application for you. As such, say yes. And it's going through the same process in reverse. And we're done. If you want to confirm that you have it installed, you can go back over here to your GUI, to your applications list, and there it is. If you don't want to waste time that way, you can just type in hard info here in the terminal. And there it is. And that's pretty much it for removing an application and also putting it back in. Thank you.